Okay, this one's going to be everything you need to know about shading and shadows. I'm going to break it down step by step. It will be worth it if you're interested at all in drawing. You have the cast shadow that is not on the object, and you have the core shadow that is on the object. The midtones are half tones, and then the highlights. Now I'm going to go with a 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 system here. 5 is the darkest, and 1 is the lightest. 5 is your darkest. That's the edge for where the light can hit. Everything behind that is part of the core shadow. The reason why it goes from 5 to 4 to 3 is that there's some reflected light coming off the wall. Otherwise, it would all be 5. After 5, go to your 4s. You can't skip a number, so 5 has to go to 4. You can't go 5 to 3, even if 4 is small. As the object rounds and you get more and more light hitting it, it gets lighter. You just blend those in a little bit more. If you want to turn your cylinder into a hollow cylinder, then you're going to reverse the lighting conditions. So it's the same idea, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It's just going to be on the opposite side. And that's just because the light isn't hitting on the same side. It's going to give an effective illusion. I hope this helped. If you got value from this content, please do follow, like, comment, and share for more art tips and tutorials.